Welcome to Make Money Online 101, Essential Information for Beginners. In this video, we will discuss the basics of making money online and provide you with some essential information to get started. Before we dive into the how-tos of making money online, it's important to understand why it's a great option. Making money online provides you with flexibility, convenience, and the potential to earn a lot more than a traditional job. You can work from anywhere in the world and set your own hours. To make money online, you need to have marketable skills. In this section, we will discuss some marketable skills that can earn you a substantial amount of money, such as content creation, web development, graphic design, and more. There are numerous platforms that allow for making money online, such as freelancing websites, tutoring websites, online marketplaces, and more. In this section, we will look at some of the top platforms and how you can use them to make money. Another great way to make money online is through affiliate marketing. In this section, we will discuss how affiliate marketing works and provide some tips and tricks to help you get started. That's it for Make Money Online 101, Essential Information for Beginners. We hope you found this video informative and useful. Remember, making money online requires hard work and dedication, but if you put in the effort, it can provide you with great financial freedom.